Have you ever gently touched a redly spined millipede and wondered how it reacts? This slow moving creature may look harmless, but it has a fascinating defense system. When disturbed or touched, the redly spined millipede does not bite or attack. Instead, its first response is protection. It quickly curls its long body into a tight spiral shape. This position hides its soft underside and protects its delicate legs and head from the danger. But that's not all. If the millipede feels seriously threatened, it releases defense chemicals from tiny pores along its body. This liquid is not deadly to humans, but it can smell strong and may cause skin irritations or meat burning if touched or rubbed into the eyes. The bright red color of this millipede is actually a warning signal in nature. It tells predators, "I am not easy to eat." This is called warning coloration, helping animals avoid danger without fighting.